Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the wind blowing? Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the wind blowing? Listen also, you will try to do right in front of me. I could not explain. Getting a bell, getting a fear, a little bit more.
You're worried. What is it?
Woman, I want to be left alone.
My husband. I know there is a problem. Talk to me. Allow me to share in it.
I could not explain. Getting a bell, getting a fear, a little bit more. Take this minute away. Oh, get it come down, oh, get it a fear. Take this minute away. Oh, get it come down, oh, get it a fear.
Look at you, Uju. Look at you. What am I going to call this? Hi,
please.
Stop begging me. Stop begging me. What kind of beg that? Eh? So Uju, all these things that I've been begging you for many months. So you have the cause to bundle this waste to the priest? I can't believe this, Uju. I can never believe this.
But I didn't give him willingly.
What did you do?
He raped me.
Oh, keep quiet. When he was raping you, why did you just scream? Hey, villagers, so everybody come, oh, the priest is raping me, oh. When he was tearing it, why did you two shout? You are saying he raped me, he raped me. If you talk, see, let me warn you. Never you ever come to my house. In fact, as I'm standing with you now, I'm even angry. I feel like beating you. Get away from here.
No.
Don't near me. Get out! Oh. Ah.
Hi. What am I going to do? Jesus. Hi.
That is it. I'm a prince of my own. As you can see, God, I do my things the way I want to do it. And once you're humble and loyal, you come around and just come. Once you come there, tell them you're looking for Prince and the gate will be wide open for you and you can come in. Okay?
Hey! Angoli! Angoli, what thing you they do here? What thing you stand for here they do now? They do like this. And you, overripe papa. What you they tell my sister?
Are you for real? Are you talking to me? Are you mad? How brazen? Can't you see my royal regalia? Are you blind? How dare you talk to the prince of this land in such manner?
Abeg, shut up! Which kind of nonsense prince be that? You know well, oh. You know just well at all. You stand here, they deceive small pikin. You call yourself prince. You won't make her open your nyash. You won't make I tell the word say you be prince when you don't know your papa. You want them?
Who is this muggle? No, Anole, who is this muggle?
Beg, when the shop is there, something they worry you for head. Who they call movie? So you know just well. See, make I tell you, see this girl where they here. No take and play with me, oh. Stay away from this girl, oh. And they carry and play, oh. You don't talk to her now. Small time you go give am belle. Leave this girl. You dey hear me so? Nonsense man. And you no get sense. You won't know man. You no go know the man wey sabi him papa. You dey follow man wey no even know where him from come. You dey craze. You stand here. Come up here.
I am going to slap out 5 years from your age. I've seen that you have no respect for royalty.
No problem. Now me go blow in 200 years for this your nonsense face.
Are you damn for it? Come and get the hell out
I'm
of
not getting hell out of here. You not try me or not speak English from you. If you speak, I will speak for you, John.
What the hell is here? What are you talking about? Get the hell out of
Anything when you hear, take them like that. Don't try
Okay,
me.
you know what? Angling.
Not try her.
Give me this girl's address and I'll come there and deal with her. I will take you out from this village. I will tell you that I own this village.
Come over here. Come over here. You're a foolish man. You're very foolish. You,
I'm going to come for you. I'm going to come for you. Big butts now give girls so much privilege to talk to guys anyhow.
Sister, why did you tell the prince that he doesn't know his mom?
I waiting call my man that time. I waiting I tell her.
The queen is not an easygoing person. What if the prince reports you to her?
Waiting she go do? She go keep person. It be like say you don't know me very well though. You see for Lagos where I from come, everybody they give me my respect. Because I know they take nonsense. If I enter Bariga, enter Isolo, enter Oshodi, it can't be a Jegule where I be the queen. Now so you gonna hear Titieko, Titieko, Titieko. Everybody go just they respect me. It can't be this small village. They no rich. Hey!
Yes, sister. Damn, someone be scared of anybody in this village again.
Make you not fear anybody at all. But my own be say, no go find trouble. If you see elder, respect her. But anybody will find your trouble for this village, I go treat the person for call.
Hey! You be correct, sister. Hey, God! Hey!
Thank God I met you here.
Okay.
I waited for you yesterday to come to our house, but you didn't come.
Oh, sorry, I had so many places I went yesterday. I had so many things I did. Sorry, forgive me. I will say I will come and see her today. Sorry, how is she?
Hey, she's fine, but she has gone back to the city. But she said I should give you this. Yes, it's her address. So you locate her whenever you're ready at the city.
Hey, baby. I thought you will not go just like that. It's all right. Don't worry. I will see her. I was even planning to come to the house today and see her.
Okay.
Eh?
Okay.
I didn't know that she has gone back.
Okay.
It's all right. It's all right.
Okay.
I will see her. Oh, thank you.
All right, let me go back. Thank God I met you here.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Thank you so much. Hi. That baby. Number 2. Hi. Sitting here, I come.
Babe, Adama, you are so smart. Babe, now what for you? That guy thinks I'm one of those village girls that he can be turning around. He thinks I'm one of those girls he can be deceiving. Eh? Now what for you?
You know, I'm surprised, Adama. That guy is really making money in this village.
Babe, too much money. He's making too much money in that village. I cannot wait for him to come to the city and make money for me.
Hey, Papa, you have come again. Oh. How can that one happen?
Babe,
please.
Cool down. Cool down. You are rushing me. You don't trust me again, oh. Eh? Do you know what that guy's money can do for me? Do you know what his money can do for me in this town? Calm down. Now me dey control.
Okay, oh. Me, I'm just looking. My eye is open. But let me tell you, don't leave me behind, oh. When the money come, I hope I will get my own share.
Now what for you? You be my personal person. Now you be my main girl. My main girl. You will have your share now. Eh? Calm down. How far that guy? Did you later see him?
Babe, I beg. Forget that one. That one is not story.
Wow.
Do you know, okay, my hand aka gum. They tie him like this, carry him, roll him for the guy neck. The guy is just a stingy millionaire.
Yeah.
I almost cried. 1 naira shishi. Kobo way open like this. I don't see from that guy. That night. Thank God I get cab guy. I had to call my cab guy to come and pick me. As in, That kind of person, God forbid. May God carry that kind of person far from me.
This one a bad market.
Bad market. You can say that again. Fear.
That cannot happen to me now. That kind of thing. You know they do me. You know they do me, Adama. You know they do me. This is why I don't follow this kind of men.
I trust.
These fools, I know they follow them, they waka. Eh?
Now wow. You too much, babe. You too much. As in all your parole they jail.
Now what for? Adama go give them hot. I go show them Pepe. Adama.
I trust you, Jerry.
I don't come so.
It is well.
Nah, so.
I don't understand. Say that again.
My prince, but you said you love me, that you will marry me.
Marry who? Marry you? Huh?
My prince.
Huh? Listen. Stop crying like mosquito in my ear. You have to get rid of this pregnancy.
My prince, I'm scared. I don't want to do any abortion.
Come, take this money. Do the need do, okay? Do what is need. Can you listen to me? Take this money. Do what you have to do. Get rid of it. You don't have to be scared. Nothing is going to happen to you.
But you promised you'll marry me.
Mama.
No.
Ma, good evening, Ma.
How are you?
I'm fine, Ma. My name is Chisom. I'm the first daughter from the second wife of Ibuanyaka. Chisom. Yes, Ma.
Nemo, you are welcome.
Thank you, Ma. Mama, I'm here to see Otito.
Otito came?
Yes, Ma.
What business do you have with Otito, Nemo?
Mama, he's my friend. He said I should come and see him.
Your friend?
Yes, Ma.
Eh? Oh yeah, go home. I don't want to see you here again. I told me to stores. What are you still waiting for? Oh yeah, leave this compound. Useless girls. You came to look for Otito. Oh my God. You came to see my brother Otito. Before you know it now, another story will come. You see that Otito raped her or she's pregnant? She's pregnant for him. Let me see you here again. Nonsense. You're here to see Otito. I'm here.
Sister, you know you're my elder sister, and I love you so much. Sister, I want you to bring down yourself and apologize to our big sister.
What's not getting me? I should do what? And for your information, she's your sister, not our sister.
She is. Sister C, ever since she came here, my life has completely changed. Oh, she takes care of me, and she gives me good advice that will better my life. And again, sister, you need to stop following that boy, or that Otito, whatever his name is. He's a very bad boy. You need to stop.
You see this your dirty mouth, you should shut it, zip it. Fichaya, clean it, you are mad. I should do what? So you now advise me, Abi? Kaiji bro, but we are now mates. You are now advising me. If this is why you call me to sit down, you don't you even, as in try it next time. Nonsense. You and Titi, we are now sister. You should forgive her. Atangi, what's that? I'm telling you. Yoruba is not your sister. Yoruba from Lagos.
She's your sister.
Your sister alone. She's not my sister. She can never be.
I'm telling you something that will help you.
This Soon. Why are you like this now? How can you disappoint me after all the bushmeat I gave to you?
What are you talking
Been
about?
packing bushmeat to you and you still disappoint me.
Otito, what are you talking about?
You disappointed me. I told you, Chisom, come to the house. Let's rehearse. Let's do some practical examination and all this, you did not come. Is it good?
I was at your house. I was at your place. Didn't your mother tell you?
My mother? My mother did not tell me anything, no. Huh?
I was at your place. Your mother walked me out and she asked me not to come back.
Are you serious?
Yes, I came to see you.
Hey, my mother cannot do something like that. For what now? A girl I gave bushmeat, my mother will tell you, come and look for me, my mother will tell her to go.
Otito, don't provoke me. I'm already angry, so don't call me a liar. How can you call me a liar? I said I was at your place and your mother walked me out. She walked me out and asked me never to return. So, Biko, don't disturb me again. Do you understand? Nonsense.
You're angry? Just a mockade. So because my mother chased you away and you went away, after eating my bushmeat, you went away. When I was giving you bushmeat, you did not tell me that my mother was there. What is all this thing? You see that bushmeat? If I find out that my mother did not chase you away, that bushmeat, you will pay for it. You pay for it, else I will set trap for you. The way I catch bushmeat is there. That's the way I will catch you, and I will turn you to somebody. You will see. I will turn you to antelope. You will see it though. Anwa, don't think that you have eaten it and I will just allow you to go like that. Or they possible. You got boy.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Mama, yeah, oh yo yo. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Hey! Hold it right there. You again?
Na me na. Abi na you. Wetin happen?
Can't you greet? Cousin demands that you greet an elder.
I beg, shut up your mouth. Just shut up. Hey, don't touch me. Me, Etiko, greet you. As what?
Wait, make I ask you. You know no say na from Lagos I from come? You don't come Lagos before? You see Queen for there? It be like say something they worry you for head.
Because you came from Lagos, I did not see a queen there does not mean queens do not exist. So you cannot greet me because I am too small or you're just being stupid.
I beg when you keep quiet. What they do you? Say, I beg, leave me. See, you be queen or you not be queen. That one like in your pockets. You need to feed me. You hear me so? I beg, carry this your disciple come out for here. Something they worry you for head. You just say any positive, you just they talk. Ah! You slap me!
Idiot.
What have you done? The king will come after us and they might banish us.
I don't care. Hey, why this man go slap me?
Sister, you know the way.
You will come back now. You will come back, it's yours.
Sister, what have you done?
They do queen.
Sister, you don't fuck up.
I don't do anything. Which kind of nonsense be that? Why she go touch me? See, make I tell you, make you cool down. You see this woman, they don't be anything. For their matter, I hold her for here.
They will come after us. I don't like this thing. Sister, you don't fuck up.
I need this woman. She slapped me. See, no, make I go back.
I don't.
Oh, Abby, come fast now, make we dey go. You dey waste my time. No be so we dey go this kind waka o. You dey dumb me. Hello? Yeah, who is this? Otito manum, how far? Otito, sorry, sorry. See, something came up in the city. I had to go back. Immediately. What did my sister give it to you? She has given it to you, Abi? See, as I'm talking to you, I have deposited your money in the bank. Your money is in the bank as I'm talking to you now. See, just be packing more money, be saving, be packing the money. I will soon send you my account number so that as you are saving, you will send the money to my account. Yes, now. So when you are ready, you start coming to the city. I am here waiting for you now, Oh, man, cable. Oh, Tito. Ngwanu kodi, no problem.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay. My baby, you alright? Okay.
Hi. Abby, come out now, let's go.
I'm coming, please, I'm coming. See what I'm doing. Adama, who are you talking to on the phone? Please let me hold this thing.
It is that village mugu I told you about. The village idiots I told you about.
You are lucky, my sister. You know, I wish I have this kind of mugu that will be making money if I can travel to my village. What am I doing in the city, wasting my time here and suffering?
See, that guy thinks he is wise. He thinks he knows something. We will chop his money. In this city, we will be chopping his money.
Hey, Ada baby. Ada baby.
Na me.
I trust you. I like that kind of money. But wait.
What is that?
You see this my leg? I can run. What is it? I hope there won't be gbege.
Which gbege?
This guy. I hope he will not come and start making trouble when he discovers you are using him to make big money. Adama. See me, my hand no dey.
Abby, which trouble are you talking about? See, who does he know? Don't be this city where they control. This city where they in charge. Who you won't call for me? Now me they tell you something. Where your bangle now? Where your bangle? Make we dey comot.
They go, Jabe.
This Alaji go like you. He like yellow girls like you.
I can't wait. I can't wait to leave this village. As for the prince, will be a surprise to him. He will not even know when I will leave. Nonsense prince. You think that I will be worshipping him and his family? Nonsense family. When I will leave this village, he will not even know. They will know that I have sense. That I will know. Prince will know that I am sensible than him. Him and his nonsense family. Nonsense prince. They are calling him prince and he's misbehaving. When I will leave him, all this thing that Igwe is always doing nonsense to me, Igwe will know that I have sense. Bam! I will leave this village. I will not even tell him my plans. He will not know when I will leave. Nonsense prince like you. Yes, don't let my plan. Let me organize it. Nonsense prince.
So this is it. Hey. Otito.
What is your problem? Why are you everywhere this year? Are you a witch? Can't you stay one place? It was more breast.
Follow you for what, Otito? As your follower, then we can listen. You see all the things you said here. I heard it all. Yes! I will tell the prince. Otito, you get the mind to call the prince, your friend, your man, foolish. Hey!
Me?
Elimereni,
Call prince foolish. Where did you hear that one?
In Agago. Agokwana. Because I heard it very well. You said his family is a nonsense family. I heard it. As if that is not enough. You also said that you are not even sure if Prince is the true prince of this village.
Are you crazy?
I heard it all.
Will you get out from here?
As I'm talking to you now, I'm going straight to the palace. The prince will hear this.
Prince will believe you, and I think he'll believe you. If you go to that palace, they will cut off your leg. Or will you get out from here?
I think they will not believe you.
Get out from. They will not believe you.
By the time I will cook all these things.
Get out from here.
You
Nonsense.
see, I'm going to the palace.
Get out from here.
Look at you. You see that Uju baby is not joking.
You don't know what you are going to the palace to
I'm
do.
going to the palace.
Who knows you?
I'm going to the palace.
Would I open gate for you? Look at her. Small breast, small nyash. You want to go to the palace? Like you are going there to deceive one of the guards. Nonsense. Anyway, I know that the prince will not even believe you. I am the one to tell Prince what to believe. If you tell him anything, I will use nylon and block his ear. He will not even listen. I press him like remote, ping pong, telling him what to do. He will not believe you. Go there, you are wasting your time. Nonsense. Look at her small breast and small nyash. You should have told me that you are going there to look for the guards that will look at you. They will not even look at you because you are an expired one take, village one take.
I just can't. So if Nanya is there just because she went to the palace to work,
Hey!
it's very bad.
You see the reason why I hate palace work? That's the main reason why I hate palace. If you work palace worker,
who would like that kind of work? That's why I always prefer to stay in my mother's shop than to go and do that stupid work.
That is very bad. So what would they do to Prince now?
What are you saying? Of course he's the king's son. They are going to cover everything up. I just wish someone can teach that prince a very, very big lesson.
I hate that boy, eh?
I don't just hate
that
in short, it's disgusting. I swear. But wait. So, like play, if Naya is dead. Check.
She's alive.
I'm telling
you she's dead. You're still asking me she's dead. She's dead, my sister.
The question of what? Hey! I don't think so.
I swear by the ancestors.
Oh, Majesty, that's enough. Don't do that. This person we're talking about is our own blood, our child. How can you lay such curses on him?
I regret the day I ever met him. I regret him being a product of my loins. I regret it. He can never take the throne after me.
No, Your Majesty. Don't say that. I don't know why you find it difficult to believe our own son. I beg you. Please. When he said he didn't do it, he didn't do it. I believe him. And my husband, please. I beg you in the name of the gods. Do not involve the elders in this matter. You make our family a laughing stock. I beg you. Don't do this. For my sake. Oh, don't you love your wife anymore? Just look at me and say you've taken back the curse. You are reversing it. Please.
Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the wind blowing? Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the wind blowing? This ain't a song that you will try to do right in front of me. I could not explain. Get in a mouth, get in a flow. Take this away. Oh, get it back. Get in a flow. What's away my tears? Take this away. Oh, get it back. Get in a flow. Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the
let me tell you people.
Why, Yama?
Look at you.
Oh, I hope this my wine is as fresh.
Let me tell you.
Don't you trust me?
The Igwe has no son.
That's why I
As a matter of fact, he is childless.
My friend, shut up your mouth there. Shut up your mouth. Before this your pio cho puts you in big trouble. Tell you no, in fact, warning. Look at you.
I have told you to stop drinking. Just 3 bottles and you are off. You are still saying nonsense. Oh, I know what I'm saying. The Igwe is childless. Period. The Igwe is what? Childless.
I will leave this place for you.
What boy say? You are the one saying this rubbish from your mouth. Look at them. Useless youths. Look at them. Just look at them. Were you the one that gave birth to the prince? Were you the one that gave birth to the prince? I'm asking you. What boy say?
Mazi, I know what I'm saying. You see that boy parading himself? He's not the Igwe's son. Yeah. He's a thief. And Igwe is not.
Let me shut your mouth. What is wrong?
Does a lion give birth to a snake?
You are very, very stupid. You have no sense. What rubbish are you saying? See, if you don't want to drink, just carry your stupid self and get her from this shop. Don't say nonsense in my shop, Bikowa. Please.
Don't worry, the Igwe will be happy to hear it.
Okaneku, I say happy to hear it. Carry yourself and get her from this shop, please. Please.
Wabweze, look, all of you, let me tell you. I, Ichie Ndeka, will personally report all of you to the Igwe.
Mazi, I'm not involved.
Ichie, I know what I'm saying.
Mazi, I'm not included.
Ichie, I know what I'm saying.
The Igwe must hear this.
See what you have caused?
What did you say? Wabweze said what?
That's what he said. They were discussing it in our shop, in my mother's shop. Nchodika was there. In fact, he has gone to report to the king.
Hey, never. The prince must hear this. I must tell the prince this thing.
But Tutu, wait, let me ask you. Is it true?
Get out. Look, get out. Oh. So they have turned your mother's bar. They have turned your mother's bar to a gossip point.
No.
So your mother's place is where people now gather to discuss about Igwe and his family.
No. Why would you say that? They were in our shop drinking. We didn't say anything, no. I was not there.
When they said it, what did you and your mother say?
I was not there. My sister said he asked him to leave. He should stop gossiping. He should stop talking. That's what my sister said. I was not there, not one member.
I see. So this is it. Hey. No wonder. Anytime I'm passing your mother's shop, people will food here. They'll be discussing Igwe. I wonder what they have said about me and the prince.
No, nothing like that. It's just your...
It's alright. It's alright. Get ready. People are in trouble. You people are in trouble.
It's not our fault, please.
Prince, wherever you are now, get ready.
Igwe, I am not happy. What could be the reason? I am not fine.
Somebody in this village is carrying rumor around the whole village that Prince Afamefula is not your son.
What? Who is this person?
Igwe is in our Boise, the Okada boy. Ogwefi's son.
Abuezi?
Yes, Igwe.
How can? What brought that kind of issue? Joseph.
My king.
Immediately send 2 guards. Ejike and what's that his name? Okay? To go and fetch him immediately. Bring him to this palace. Okay. Now.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Igwe, that Waboizo of a boy is a very silly boy. He is so stupid. Igwe, you really need to punish that boy.
Wait and see what happens.
Going home. I'm even going to your shop.
My mother is in the shop. I want to go home and cook.
Okay.
How's your brother?
My brother? He have gone to his Okada work. You know my brother now. He's a busy person.
Okada work? Nebe. My sister said he was in our shop with his friends, drinking to stupor. He was talking nonsense. Just now, if I'm, I don't know.
Obi, what do you mean?
Yes.
My brother?
Yes.
Mwabeze?
See, I don't want to shout, so you will not say I'm the one that said it, or people will say I'm the one that said it. Your brother is in trouble. He said the Igwe is not the father of the prince.
It's a lie!
That's what he said.
Obi, my brother? Hey! How could my brother say a thing like that?
Inaju.
Who told him?
Inaju.
Hey!
I don't know. You have to go and look for your brother. Look for him. Ask him who told him. Ask him very well. You hide him somewhere. Because definitely the king will come after him. Tell him that Ichiro has gone to report to the king. Tell him that. Why?
Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Let me just go and look for my brother.
Go.
What does he want to put himself into trouble?
Joya, ask him. Ask him very well. The problem is that I don't know if the king will come after my mother and I. And my sister. Who will I do now? No.
Nobody knows tomorrow. Mama, yeah, oh yo yo. different faces, different.
You see what I told Wabweze? I've warned him on several occasions. He wouldn't listen. God. See, his tongue has put him in big trouble now. I wonder what they are doing to him.
But why will he have the right to even say so?
In as much as he may not be far from the truth, he still doesn't have the right to say such a thing.
But come, what do you mean?
You're asking me, Okwaya? Bikonu, let me reach my house with my life. You like, sit there and be asking me stupid questions.
Anamaju, onyemechi kamnaju, Anamaju, onyemechi kamnaju.
Maka, hold it down, sister.
What will be the meaning of this one?
I told you that I was going to come for a return leg, right? Did I make it clear to you that I was going to come for you?
So now me you dey form ninja for? You be like say you dey craze. Craze, they do you. Not don't come up for your head. Which kind of nonsense be this now?
Okay, nice one. I like that. Actually, you have the guts to talk to me, the prince of this land, right? You have the mouth to talk to me.
See this one, oh. Hey, I don't see something. Etiko, you don't see something. So now me they do ninja for. You be like say you dey craze. In fact, you don't dey mad.
I've seen that your big butt gives you the privilege to talk to me. Today, I am going to add more flesh to this your bum bum. By the time I'm done drilling you with so much pain, you'll know the stuff I'm made of.
You know tell me say, na my nyash dey pay you. But it go pay you till you die. See, make I tell you, no try me, oh. If you try me, I go swallow you. Me, Etiko, I go swallow you. Who you think say you be self? Okay. Half prince.
I like that.
Because of this thing where you wear your shoe. You walk out for this village, they do anyhow. People they fear you. Not try that with me. If you try am with me, I swear with my life, I go on television for you. You gonna watch am. You gonna watch am, they see am. You dey hear?
Christopher, please give us a load, though. Stop watching us.
You want me to light?
I'm not try am, oh.
You want me to light you both now?
Don't try am, oh.
Are you mad?
You don't dey crazy, so. I don't understand this thing. Why you dey beg am? Which kind of nonsense be this? Now they spoil this boy for this village. You see this nonsense what they do? You know go fit try am for Lagos. Come Lagos, come try am. Come Ikorodu, try this nonsense. Or you even come at Jegunle where them bomb me, try this rubbish. My brother, I swear, small boys go flog you where? Small boys go flog you. You dey hear me? Small boys now go flog you. You dey craze. Prince. Nonsense prince, we don't know him, papa. Rubbish. Wait till self. You don't need to be prince. What kind of nonsense prince you be? You don't too do. You don't too do. Make it not be this thing where you smoke, then they give you morale. What kind of nonsense is that? You don't too do. Are they ready for you? Do your worst now. Shall we be prince?
Touched me. My royal regalia.
Anyhow, what you want her? Are they ready for you?
Get this thing to the palace right now.
No, waiting. Men not try touch me, oh. Hey, not touch me, oh. Shall we say you the prince, Abi? You for come fight me now. You for come fight me, we can beat you. You do prince, you the carry gas. You do prince, you carry gas. You the craze.
Take that big boy to my palace, Muggle.
Flog him! Flog him! Yes! Flog him! Stupid man! Flog him very well. No more mongers. Flog him! nonsense. So, hold on. So you were the one spreading rumors all over the place. Stupid fellow.
But she's the one. She was the one who told me that I kind on the bike.
You like that?
Yeah. It's not like someone that you.
You know her?
The same girl that insulted me the other day.
Oh, you are that you were back here? Really? Guards, take her and lock her up inside.
Don't touch me.
Don't talk her.
I'm not doing anything. Take her out.
Go and tell your parents that you didn't register that child well.
And you, the next time you hear rumors, you must confirm them before you begin to spread them like a virus. Get up. Get out of this compound. Silly. Etiko.
My king. All right.
Thank you very much.
Why are you shouting? What?
Mama, where's Papa?
What happened to her?
She had a little misunderstanding with the prince and he ordered his guards to take her to the palace. On getting there, we saw Nwambweze, that popular Okadama, being punished by the king because he said the king has no son. Mama, we were so surprised when he pointed at Statiti that she's the one that told him that the king doesn't have a son. Mama, we need to go now.
Oh,
they arrested her.
Very good. Beautiful arrest.
Mama,
she deserves it.
Mama, let's go there. She's been arrested.
She got what she wanted.
Mama, say it again.
She got what she wanted.
Good. She got what she wanted. Mama, biko.
Oh, Mama, let's go now.
After using and when you get tired of it, transfer to her.
I will dash to her.
Mama, let's go. She's there.
You are making noise here. See her born out. Leave this place.
You go now. Go and stay inside the prison.
Go and for her. In fact, go and stay inside the prison. She will run
Let's
out.
go now.
Young lady, where did you get that story from? And who are you?
Madam, I don't know what you dey talk.
Come on. I am harmless. I'm not here to hurt you. You know what the king can do to you.
I feel like person wey dey fear anybody. I no dey tell you anything, madam. If una wan kill me, make una kill me. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
I'm your friend. Just see me as your friend. You can trust me. I'm here to help and protect you. You cannot be suffering for somebody else's sin.
Madam, I no wan talk. This I no wan talk. I beg, come out from my room. I dey beg you. Abi, you wan dey here with me? No problem. You don't go enter house. If you wan dey here, sit down.
It's your choice. And you made your choice.
I could not explain getting a milk, getting a fear, a little bit more. What's our party? Take this away. Oh, get it back, oh, getting a fear. What's our party? Take this away. Oh, get it back, oh, getting a fear. Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the wind blowing?
We have to kill that girl immediately before she brings us down. Yes.
Do you know what you're talking about? No, are you really sure of what you're talking about? A king? Want to make me a murderer? No.
Your Majesty.
To have bloodstains in my hands?
What do you prefer? Is it not better to be a murderer than to be an object of caricature to your people?
No. I will never kill someone else's child. We have to make her talk first.
Talk what? That girl I see is a witch. It is in her eyes. From her background, she is a witch.
Do not harm that girl. That is final.
Okay. See, this one that you people are celebrating like this. Tell me what is happening, what are we celebrating?
My husband.
I win pool.
The Lord is good.
All the time.
Oh yeah, tell me now. My blood they hot. Tell
My
me.
daughter and I, we are celebrating peace.
Yes.
We finally had peace in my husband's house.
Yes.
Udo Nach.
Yes.
Chere. What peace were you lacking in this house that you are now Sundayly celebrating?
Papa, with Titi in this house, is there any peace?
There's no peace. Papa, what Ofemano girl? The Ofemano daughter. She's now resting in the royal prison.
Exactly.
Chere. What did she do that she's in the royal prison?
Look at it, her wide mouth, big mouth, eku has landed her in the prison. She said that her farm is not the king's son. So they are still waiting for her to say who the king's son is. She's there.
Hey!
Mama, the most important thing is that we have peace in the house now.
Udo Nach.
Mama, whatever.
Hey! Onakuko. So, you are jubilating just because you serve your sister. It's a royal prison and you are jubilating. I can understand your case, but you.
Papa, it is
You are wicked.
Life is deeper than we think we know. Different faces, different things to say. Life is deeper than the ocean. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap.
What are you doing there? I've been looking for you. Why are you looking this worried? What is the problem? What is it? Are you sick? What's going on?
Tell me the truth, mother.
My son, what truth?
Who am I?
You are my son, my child. My biological son.
And father?
What kind of stupid question is that? He's your father, he's your biological father. Come sit.
Mom.
Sit, my son, sit. Don't mind that stupid girl. She knows nothing.
Mom.
Yes, dear.
I don't want to finally realize that I'm not part of this family.
From hell yes, she's lying. Okay, look at me very well. Check out my skin color. Is it not the same with your own? Check out our eyes colors. Is it not the same? Okay, look at the nose.
Mom, I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about father.
Of course he is your biological father. If he's not your biological father, What am I doing here? I'm his wife legally. He is married to me, and I gave birth to you.
So how come father is having big head and got us?
You took after me. Don't worry about how he looks. You look like your mom. Aren't you proud to look like your mother? Look at how handsome you are. Come on, Gerald. Don't let them get to you. Those that crappy news shouldn't make you look this way. So have you eaten? Or you just here sulking?
I haven't eaten.
Come on.
Haven't you girls noticed? Notice what? Does it mean that all of you are blind or deaf? Does it mean that you cannot see or you have not heard what is happening in this palace? Afam is not the king's biological son.
What would you gain from lying?
I do not lie. I am just stating the fact. You know I don't gossip. I am not her.
Besides, madam, it's just a rumor. Why complicating issues? Please, if you're looking for who to put in trouble, tell them you didn't see me.
Bring down your eyes and watch her closely. Get close to her. In fact, be friends with her so that she can trust you. Get every detailed information we need from her. And I'm giving you 2 days to do that. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Majesty. Trust me.
I trust you. You may leave now.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Careful.
Tell me where you got that false information from.
See this man. So you see they call him false. Why you they call him false? You think that they lie? Well, I don't just want to talk.
Do you know that I can have you killed here immediately? How dare you carry false information about me?
Who you they threaten? Not threaten me, oh. I mean they do you. I beg not just threaten me. It is how they tell you self. I beg leave me, oh, free me, oh. Come out from my room. Which kind of nonsense be this?
You out of your mind. I can have you killed here. I repeat, don't let me kill you.
No, break my hand. No, just break my hand.
Magal, now start talking.
I beg leave me, Jore. What's your problem, sir? See, may you not just try home me like that again. How you gonna enter person room? This how they fear you.
The next time I come in here, I will cut off your neck.
Not try me, oh. Please, not try me, oh. What did you please say? You know, people, not try me, oh. I gotta beg, come out. Not be your room with this. Come out. Hey! Etiko, I don't turn to prisoner. Etiko, one man's sword for Jegunle. Now don't turn me to prisoner. No worry, I go soon come out. Now I come out me for here, oh. Come out me for here, I don't keep person.
Biko, forgive my daughter. Biko,
Okaka.
Igwe.
Go. Allow me to think. I will come up with an idea of what to do to her. Better still, let her tell me who told her that rubbish rumor she's spreading around the kingdom.
Igwe, I don't know where she heard that information from. I don't know.
Is that so?
Eh? Igwe, I love my daughter so much. I know this amount will put her in trouble one day. But she just cannot stop talking.
That's good. Then she's going to die in my hands.
Igwe.
Yes. Because she opens her mouth too wide. Then the gutter that will swallow her will be very, very wide.
Igwe, please.
Until she says who told her that rumor she has been peddling around. Let me find out if it is the truth that she's saying. If not, she will die here.
No.
I am telling you, Okaka, just go home until she's ready to talk. When she talks, then she will return to you at home.
Biko.
Okaka, go. Go.
Biko, I love her so much. Biko.
Modaro. Ah! Emi. Etiko. Wetin carry me come back? Wetin even carry me come back on the face this nonsense?
These people are very wicked. Eh? See how they dumped you here without food and water. That's why I hate all these rich people. They behave as if they are the only ones in this world.
I be like person wey dey fear person. I no dey fear any of them. Me, I no send. I no send at all.
See, I like you. And I support what you said. Eh? Come to think about it. Look at the prince with his long ears. He does not even look like the king. Just that they are too blind to see.
Disciple. So now you dey talk this thing. I surprise you. But forget. Apart from this burial clothes where you wear so, girl, you get sense. You get brain. You see this thing why they tell them say, no be this king na him born this boy. They no wan listen. But na true. The person wey tell me this thing no go feel like to me. Even me too, I no dey lie. I no dey lie yo. Come to my area where I dey live gongon. Ajegunle, number 3 Olaito. Ask about me. I no dey lie. Ask about me. I no dey lie. Even Masha close. Adekunle Street, everybody around that place know me, Etiko. Because I be tax force collector. I no dey lie. My hands dey like this, very, very clean. They know me very well. Ha, you don't know me, I dey very popular. So I dey very, very popular for Lagos.
So you mean say if he dey popular for Olaito?
Number 3 Olaito for Ajegunle, everybody know Etiko. I no dey look anybody face. I dey do my thing well. I be tax force. I dey do my job jeje. You get? That be that.
You be correct there.
And they won't go carry me play for this village. I no agree.
Make I tell you something, eh? I go help you. Yes, I go help you. But meanwhile, I bring you food. Correct food.
Like you know say one gonna kill me since.
Enjoy. Correct.
Let me get this.
Chop. Enjoy.
See food. Thank you, eh? You know I never chop since eh? You bring food, no bring water.
I will bring water.
Bring water. My friend.
My friend.
Disciple. Correct disciple. You be correct disciple. Those ones will betray Jesus. No, sir. Give me water.
Please, let me just see my sister. I'm begging you, please.
No way. The king said nobody will see her again.
Please now, let me just say, even if it's for a little minute, let me just set my eyes on her. I'm begging you.
Are you deaf? I said no.
Hi.
You want the king to punish me? I said go back.
Papa, free this matter. Free this matter. Go home and rest. See, make I tell you, I no wan talk about this thing again. Make they just dey. See me as I dey here, I dey okay. I no wan talk to anybody again.
Chuku no ye. What is this? Please. I mean, that was an expensive talk. Eh? Now tell me, who told you that our farm is not the Igwe son?
Baba me. You self no know wetin dey happen. You still dey very far. But forget am. I dey very, very okay here. Nothing dey happen. I go soon come out. At least make I dey here, they enjoy good food. They chop chicken.
Oh, Titi, Biko. Eh?
See, you may be right too, but you might not be correct. You understand me? Now I have tried to beg the Igwe. I have appealed. I've done everything. But he refused to release you. Please.
Papa, no the beggar. Leave that man. What he say get sense, but he don't know anything. Just leave him. Me, I dey very, very okay for here. Yes. But I know say I go come out for here. He get one of their disciples wey say go help me come out for this place. Last, I go Lagos, come back. Nothing dey shelly. I dey fine no. No worry yourself, just go home. I go meet you for us.
Titi. You believe that disciple?
That disciple? He like me well, oh. They give me chicken, they give me better food, they give me egg, they give me water, they give me everything.
See, you know I love you.
Even that kind of wine when they like, they bring up.
Oh, leave down. This is not time for a joke. You are here now. I'm
Papa, there for paradise.
You know since you came, I've been happy at home. Now you are not there now. I'm very sad. You know you are my source of happiness now, Biko.
Leave her.
Hear the sound. Can you feel the wind blowing? Listen also. You will try to do right in front of me. I could not explain.
Auneka, so you think you can be sleeping with my man behind my back?
Please, Ijoma.
You think you can be sleeping with Prince Afam, right?
Please, Ijoma. I don't have time for this drama.
You don't have time for drama. If I forget my hand in your face now, they'll say I'm a bad person. Auneka, so you are sleeping with my man, Ujatroge? Eh?
Your man?
Yes, my man.
Ijoma, please. I don't have time for this at all. Our sister is in prison and you're talking about a man. Are you serious? And well, I don't have anything to do with Prince Afam. You can have him all to yourself.
My friend, stand here if I'm talking to you. Listen to me. Who is your sister? Who is in... She should die there for all I care. Listen, I'm warning you for the last time. I don't ever want to see you with Prince Afam. Are you hearing me? Don't even try to go close to him. He's my man. Eh? Inugia?
Ijoma. Ijoma, leave me, oh. Wait, are you not ashamed of yourself? What were you thinking? That the prince will marry you? After you're done messing up yourself with every dick and Harry in this village?
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Isn't it you're talking to like that? You're talking to me like that because of one man and one, eh? Alright, I will deal with you in this house.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Thank you. Let's go. Make sure there'll be no trace. Everything should be simple and clean. Yes. The details and everything you will need is contained in that envelope. And make sure there'll be no trace. I'll see you. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how this game plays out. Let's see how it plays out.
Now here, you the five person.
Yes, we are looking for Mama Titi, one Mrs. Yetunde.
Yetunde?
What they sell at Bona?
Nami, how they do you? You want bag?
Nah, okay, my own you. Come on, I be here. I go one like that.
What? How do you mean? that woman and kill her as soon as possible. Kill her immediately. What? What rubbish? What do I do? What do I do? Your Majesty.
What's this all about?
Your Majesty. You have to kill that woman immediately. She is tarnishing the image of our family, and our son cannot even eat his food. Listen, if you don't want to kill her, I will kill her myself and take responsibility.
Let me ask you, why do you want her dead in the first place? Why? It's okay. I will banish her and then send her away to somewhere very, very far.
Only?
Yes. I mean, Kaka, her father has already spoken to her, but she has refused all entreaties.
Somebody has refused to answer her father is who you're trying to protect. For once, listen to your wife's advice.
Listen, woman. Allow me make my own decisions. For crying out loud. Don't pressurize me. You just won't allow me to take my decision.
This is when everything was spoiled.
That woman is bad. You have to find your way to that Igbo land and make sure you expose her.
I go. I will enter night bus today. I don't know what they do that woman. I don't know why she still they find me this time. I even sent Titi to go and meet her father. I don't know whether anything don't happen to my pikin.
Mama Titi, I have to tell you. Go now and show her that you saw the people she sent to kill you.
Those boys, they don't know I understand that.
No, they don't
very
know.
Well. They don't know. Make I go ready.
Woman is a very bad woman.
Make her go ready. I go enter night bus. She go see what she should do herself.
Alright now. I mean, we'll talk later.
My friend. I did. See, I bring you food. Correct food. Actually like.
I beg, I know they chop.
Why now?
Yeah? Why I want chop? I come here to chop. When they feel me make I come up for this place now. I keep person.
See, you know, say I don't promise you, say I go help you when you come out from here. Yeah? I go help you. But if you don't tire now, you tell Igwe who tell you waiting you talk.
No fit try.
Eat this food and die then, foolish girl.
Which kind of kiss is this? See, if this na Lagos, they no go dey try this thing when they do me. If this place na Lagos, they no go dey try am. Wetin I do now? May they free me, may they just free me.
See, my friend, relax. Relax, chop your food. You go.
I say I no chop. Kilo shele. I no dey chop. Carry this thing come up for here.
Na correct food oh. Correct food as you go like.
Disciple, e be like say you don dumb. I say I no chop. Free me, oh! Make una free me, oh! I don't say una dey hear me. Make una free me. Make I come out for here. I no keep person, oh! Wetin be this?
Your Majesty, she refused to eat it.
What? What kind of a girl is that?
I don't know. I tried everything possible to lure her into eating, but she refused.
It's okay. Just throw the food away. Don't let anyone else eat it. In fact, don't let anyone see you throw it away.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Do it discreetly.
Yes, Your Majesty.
What do I do? What do I do? What kind of mess do I put myself into? How did I get to this place?
Igwe, you don't have to take this matter this way.
What do I do? Advise me.
Igwe, let Lolo swear before the gods. Or better still,
let both of you go for the DNA test on the prince. With that, you are through. I think you're right. I will call for her immediately.
Guard!
Igwe.
Fetch me Lolo immediately.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good thought.
Yes.
That's what I should do.
Yes. So with the DNA test, nothing it must be seen.
Wait, doctors, take a chill pill. Are you actually doubting if I'm your son?
Well, you gave me reasons to doubt. The way you behave is not the way royal blood should behave. So,
Your Majesty, by the time this is done, I won't be happy with you. That means you do not trust me.
well, trust needs to be earned. I want to know what I am doing. That girl cannot just be saying those things for nothing. There must be something happening. And I want to find out if it is true or not.
You want to confirm if it's true? It's alright. I'm seated here, let the doctor come. But once you realize that I'm truly your son, do not even try to beg me. Because I will do something nasty.
Oh, come on, son. If I find out that it is positive, I will apologize. I'm as simple as that.
Then what happens to me? How about dragging my personality in the mud?
Can you imagine?
What happens to me?
Oh, doctor.
Igwe, I greet you, my king.
Welcome. Please sit. Doctor, how long would it take you to take a DNA test and send the result to me?
If I get the sample now, the result will be ready tomorrow morning.
Ah, very well then. I want the result first thing tomorrow morning. Okay? Bring it straight to this place.
Why wait till tomorrow? Here, take my blood sample. Go on.
Yeah, go ahead, take it. My people, these are indeed troubling times. I called you here because I love to weigh all sides of an issue before I take a decision. Concerning the rumor this Yoruba girl has been pending around the kingdom, I had to make my son Afam undergo a DNA test to ascertain whether he is my son or not. For that reason, I employ the effort and expertise of a doctor. Today, the doctor is here with the results. I want to assure you all that when the result is ready, if it is positive, I will have this Yoruba girl beheaded immediately. But if it is negative, then the rest of the war will be between my wife and I.
We thank you, Igwe. Bianwa Yoruba. Say the truth before Igwe will open the letter.
Waiting I hear now, waiting I talk.
And you'll die for it. Bet me you will die for it.
Well, doctor, I have the result is positive. What that means is that Afam is my son, he is the prince of this land, and the heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom.
You've seen it. You have seen it. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it?
Anamaju, onyemechi kamnaju, Anamaju.
My husband, here today. What are you doing here?
I'm here to make peace with myself and you. Please, can we go home and talk?
Go where? Go where? As we are talking now,
Our daughter is at Igwe's palace. In fact, Igwe wants to kill her.
Kill her?
According to them, they said our daughter said Igwe's son is no longer Igwe's son. In fact, I'm confused.
She said what?
Hey.
Hey, let's go. This guy will not kill me. Please, let's go. Let's go.
Igwe, Ejo, Emma Binu, I beg, forgive me. Now waiting I hear now talk. Now my mama tell me, I know they sure. I beg.
You were sure?
I beg.
You were not sure? And then you were vomiting all you were vomiting, causing rancor in the whole kingdom. You were not sure? By the time I finish dealing with you, the ears of a rat will be better than yours. Yes, see, I will not only get the police to get you, but I will banish you from this kingdom.
Igwe! Igwe, please don't banish my daughter.
My mama don't show. Igwe, you cannot banish your own daughter. Afam is not your son. He is my son. Titi here is your daughter. Queen, why don't you confess? And let's all have peace.
Mama me, what do you talk?
You even send hire killers to come and kill me in Lagos.
What? No, is this doctor? What is she talking about?
Your Majesty, please, I'll confess. But don't kill me, I beg you. Lolo here bribed me to alter the results.
Atakam! Ọwọ́ ló ṣì olórí burúkú. You know see?
I am sorry, it happened a long time ago. I was just desperate to have a male child. I am sorry, please. I am very sorry. Please, my people, forgive me.
What is it, my love? What is it?
My husband.
Yes.
It's been 3 years now. We got married. Yet, no issue. I've had a series of miscarriages. I am tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. Why can't I just be like my fellow women? Why?
Can you stop? Please. Come here. Sit. I've told you that God's time is the best. At the appointed time, He will give us a child that will stay. At the appointed time, He will give us a permanent child. Okay? You have to stop this. Come here. You know I don't like seeing you in this. Stop.
Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the wind blowing?
Mr. Man, where is your fellow man, my brother? I'm talking to you. Are you deaf? Oh, there he comes. Which?
What did I hear you say to my wife?
Are you married? I didn't know.
What sort of stupid question is that? Huh?
Oh, I'm sorry. Oh. I didn't know you were married. I'm sorry. All I could see standing before. Sitting
Ihoma,
before.
will you stop that?
I can only see a fig tree before you. Now, what is it? Sorry.
Ihoma, you stupid. Will you come on?
leave here.
You want to walk me out because of her?
Will you leave here right now?
I will go.
Come on, leave.
Are you trying to walk me out of this house?
Go back to your husband. Come on, take it.
Don't push me like that again. If you try it next time, I will call my husband.
Come on. Get out.
He's hitting me because
Go
of
to
you.
your husband.
He's hitting me because of you, right?
This is
Don't
my
worry,
house.
I will come back for you.
Come on, get out.
Can you feel the wind blowing? This ain't no song about you. We'll try to do right in front of me. I could not explain. It in a mouth, it in a fear. Take this away. Oh, get it out. Oh, get it out.
Are you in a beauty contest? I don't understand. I know you're pretty. Just wanted to show me how beautiful you are.
My love.
Oh, you look aside.
I'm 3 weeks gone.
No. You mean you're pregnant? Huh? You're pregnant?
Yes.
Hi. I did. Are you serious?
Yes.
May God be praised. May God be praised. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. What is it? What is it?
My king, I just hope it stays.
My dear, the God that brought this child again will make it stay. Okay?
What will I do now? The doctor said it's a girl, but I must have a son for my husband's happiness. God, why have you forsaken me? I know I need a child, but a son would have been preferable. The doctor said I might not be able to conceive again after this baby. What do I do? What do I do?
Where are you heading to?
I'm going home.
Why don't you come in? Let me drop you off.
Yeah. Yes. Thank you very much.
Please, Yetunde, do this for me. I promise. I will reward you handsomely.
Your Majesty, I understand your fears, but how am I sure that what I'm carrying is a baby boy? You know, doctors are sometimes wrong.
Yetunde, what you are carrying in there is a son. According to the scan, you are carrying a son. Let me have the child. Then you have mine. Please, Yetunde. The doctor said I won't be able to conceive again after this child. But you can. You can as much as you want. Please, save my marriage. Save this kingdom and the throne. And I promise, on my honor, that I will do anything and everything to make you happy. Please, Yetunde. Yetunde, I don't like this. So you want to start extorting money from me just because you did me a favor?
Marao, my queen, my children and I are hungry. My baby is hungry.
Don't tell me that. Don't tell me that. I gave you money, yes. I settled you as agreed. Why then are you coming back to ask for more money? Why? Okay, it's fine. It's fine. I will give you some money. But don't you ever come back here again to ask for money. Because if you try it, you will have it very hot with me.
So this is what you are telling me. Go. I'm going. No, please. Don't go. I'm not wait. Since you've proven to me that you are not a good woman, why are you even supposed to beg me for that money?
That was why I am sorry. In fact, I am very sorry, Your Majesty.
Don't touch me.
Yetunde, was that why you ran away with my child?
Yes, Okomi. Yes, Okomi. That night, somebody tried to kill me and Titi. I had to run for my dear life. Yes. Titi, please,
You are a devil. A very big devil, and you don't deserve to be the queen of this kingdom.
Bam!
Yes.
Bam!
We have said it.
My people, I am sorry. I was just the spirit of a male child. I am sorry. I am sorry.
This is the height of weakness.
I am sorry. I am sorry, my people. I am sorry.
Are you mad? Leave me alone to go. Leave them. Leave who?
Don't go there. If you go there, this thing is more shameful.
You get out of your mind.
Don't go there. I know what I'm telling you. If you go there now, it will be more shameful. How can you go there now that saying, he's my father, he's not your father. He's your father, he's not your father. He's your father, he's not your father.
So that means that girl will have the leverage to stay in this house.
Leave them. Let them finish whatever they are doing. Then when she comes inside here, you finish her.
You a mugger.
Hide your face. No. Go to your room. Go to your room. I'll go. Let's go.
Wait.
Go to your room. I'm your commander. If I tell you to move, you move.
Hey! What am I going to do now? So Afam is not even the king's son.
We are finished. How do I go to the king telling him I'm pregnant for Afam? How? See, we don't have any other choice. We have to go to Okaka's house, who is now his father. We don't have option on this one. No. Hey.
See, I am not following the both of you to Okaka's house. I am going straight to the king to tell him what happened. If Okaputa yaputa.
No better. It's better that way.
Please, I am sorry. My husband, I am sorry. Please forgive me. I am sorry for everything I've done. I am sorry. Please forgive me.
I hate it when people do something on purpose and then they say they're sorry.
Igwe, please, forgive her. Please, I am begging on her behalf.
Begging for what? This woman is evil. In fact, leave this palace. Leave us alone until after this meeting. I said leave. You want me to get the guys to take you out?
I'm sorry. I am sorry. Is that me begging them?
Shameless.
I am sorry. I am sorry.
Have nonsense.
My Chukunoye, my Titi, I've lost her. Where is Afam, my son, so that I can take him home?
Afam is outside Okaka. Go and meet him outside. He's your son. He's not my son. He's not the prince. He's not the heir to the throne. Go out and meet him. Please.
That is better for me.
Better.
Igwe, please, calm down.
Kamalo Naira.
Igwe, please calm down. calm down.
Don't tell me to calm down. It's okay. Don't tell me to calm down.
Because of your health, please.
My health is good. There's nothing wrong. I don't want to engulf the whole palace in fire.
Please.
A man whose house is on fire does not chase after that.
I know. Iwe, calm down. We can talk this whole thing over.
No, let them go. Kaimalo Naira.
I know.
But I won't condone any evil.
What? This is unbelievable. Aro. Mama, I cannot even believe it myself. Yeah. Bia, why are you a man? So this is what you and the Lolo did? Eh? Yeah, it's a shame.
That was why I ran away from Okaka in the first place.
Continue running. You can't stay here at all.
I'm not interested.
See, let me tell you. You cannot stay here at all. As far as I am concerned, I cannot. In fact, I will never share my husband with you.
Who is interested with sharing your husband?
And what are you doing here?
I am not interested.
Mama, what are you doing now? Mama, what's the meaning of this? Afam is now our brother.
Look at this one. Are you my child? Are you from this my womb? Or somebody gave birth to you? See, if you don't shut up, he's your brother. If he's your brother, he's not my brother. And I am not ready and willing to share my husband with anybody. Not even her. Not in this house. Never. Let her come and enter here. Let me see.
We'll leave them alone.
Mama, what is this? Mama, what is this? Auntie, don't worry. Don't allow anybody give you trouble. You will stay in this house.
This is what you shall her.
Sir, don't get me up.
You shall can you get her now? You want to give me this thing? Leave. You shall
My co-wife, calm down.
You people should. Check on who is your co-wife.
She's your co-wife. She's your co-wife, Mama. Auntie, sit down.
And God forbid. Mama, Osi co-wife. You can never be my co-wife. And you are not my co-wife. Not in this house. Go. Better go. What did they call it? Go. Ma, Opama. Gawa, go. You will not stay here.
Mama, she will enter.
Take your miserable self out of this palace now.
I go show you say I be Lagos there.
Alpha, what's your problem, eh? Why are you fighting a woman? Do you want to kill her? Right?
Alpha! Stop now!
Get out of this palace!
Nothing!
Stop it!
Never born you!
Stop it! So, you want to tell
you see that drink me?
Tell her to get the hell out of this palace now! What is wrong with you, Afan?
Now jealous I go kill you. You see this house? Now my papa get her. I don't be daughter to the king. You will come up for this place.
You are...
Nothing!
Stop it!
My girl here!
Stop
My
it!
girl
What is
here!
wrong with you?
Not try me, oh! Not try me!
What is wrong with you? Tell her to get the hell out of this palace, Dad! Listen, if you don't stop this madness, I'm going to call the police. What? Stop that! Call the police for who? I don't care! You can call FBI, Grammy, or anybody! I don't care! I'm not leaving this palace this minute! Tell this miserable girl to get out of this palace!
My girl here! Now your neck I will cut come out!
Give me that knife!
I will cut your neck come out! You the craze! Now
give it to me!
You go come out! I can tell you! Oh, you're that way!
Go inside now!
No, you're not the child!
I said go inside!
You can go inside! My ass, please! You go die!
You telling her to go inside! You stop this madness! Are you telling that girl to go inside? Why? Let her leave here now! Tell this girl to leave this palace! I am speaking to you! Stop it! Stop! What are you saying? Speaking to who? What? Tell her I'm going to burn down this palace if she doesn't leave!
I'm your father, let's go home, please! Please!
Tell that girl to leave here. I will not talk about this again. Stop it at once! Why are you keeping sides?
Why are you keeping sight? I'm not leaving this palace. I'm not going nowhere. The man that calls myself my father, I will kill you.
Not that. Don't think that. I hope you will still be his friend.
Mama, am I crazy? Am I mad? Am I stupid? Eh? Why should I be his friend? He's no longer the prince. So create me again. What's the essence of being his friend? I don't do that. If you are not a royalty person, you can't be my friend. Yes. So as he's no longer a royal prince, he can't be my friend again. I want to be friends with royal people.
Brother, it's good for you. If not, you'll be in trouble one day.
You have seen it now. Isn't it? If you had entered into trouble before now with that so-called prince, I wonder what would have become of your life.
No more.
Papa, as you see me now, I am now a born again. Yes. Prince, I have family as a prince. Which prince? Our family would not even see me 1 foot close to him. Not to talk of coming to their house. Am I going to mingle with my fellow poor man? No, I will not. He will not see me again. So as I am now, I don't want again. What I'm planning now is to leave this village, go to the city.
Very important, Otito. You know where I go, Otito?
Please do. Go and make money and take care of us.
Otito. So, yeah, friendship will end there.
Mama, what am I going to get?
Nine.
It's not good.
What am I going to get? I'm not born again, so go and get me food. Let me eat. As a man that has just repented, you know they used to require food.
I think he deserves it. Get him something to eat so that at least.
Go and get me food. You want me to repent back?
No, please don't. Don't go back.
To help yourself.
Mama, I'm helping myself.
Help yourself. You
want me to be a reverend father? I will be a reverend father.
That's what it will.
Give me food. I will go back to my old ways. Food. Go on,
He has changed.
Now that I've changed, you will not give me food. Do you want me to change back?
Don't you, please. My son, don't. Because now I like your new status.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here, evil woman?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry I lied to you. Just I didn't want you to slip out of my hands. Please, I'm sorry. My son, I love you.
You love who? You love who? I asked you severally about this, but you denied. You denied, you lied to me, and you look at me and tell me you love me.
No, you just...
Get out of my presence now before I do something you will regret. Now!
If you like, just kill me.
You think I'm playing, right?
Whatever you do to me, I'll keep asking for your forgiveness. My son, please forgive me. I'm still your mother.
And listen, let me tell you. I will never leave this palace. Never! Here is my home. And that is final.
My son, please don't continue to make trouble. Even if Igwe wants me to leave, I will live with you.
Who is leaving? You. You have to leave. You can leave my life. You are going to see trouble. Trouble just got started now.
Please, I am sorry. I love you. I love you with my life. You're still my son forever. I love you. Papa, I love you. I love you. Sorry.
Don't touch me.
Sorry. I'm sorry. Don't look at me. I'm sorry, my son. I am sorry. I am sorry. Please come. Sorry. I'm sorry. Look at me. I'm sorry. I can kneel down for you to beg for your forgiveness. Just come to my... Please forgive me.
Chukuno, yeah. Ah! Titi.
Papa di papa.
From you are still my titi. In as much as things have happened like this, but you are still my daughter. Nobody can stop that one. I may not be your biological father, But you will continue to be my daughter till the end of the world. Hmm? You are now a princess. We are happy. So I'll continue to pray for you. God will always be with you. It will be well with you.
Amen.
This light that you brought from Lagos will shine upon all of us.
Amen.
So I have prayed, my titi.
Thank you so much, Papa. I appreciate this. I beg, I won't beg every of us, eh? I beg. Make we dey live in peace. Make we leave this war. Make we stop to the fight. God don't bless us all. Because as I be princess, I go make sure say una no lack anything. I beg. Mama Ijoma, I beg you. Make my mama follow una dey live for this place. Make all of una live in peace. Anything wey una want, make una tell me. I go do am. Make peace reign. I beg. I beg.
See, oh mommy. I'm going to miss you, my daughter.
I go miss you too. I go even miss you more. No, no worry. I go dey come here, come visit you anytime. I no go let you lack anything for this life. I go make sure you don't lack anything. Eh?
Thank you, my daughter. Thank you.
Yeah. I want to say that I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the way I treated you. I'm really sorry. Please forgive me. And please don't leave us.
I know they leave una. I say I go even tell you and Angoli. Say una go come they live with me for palace.
Hi. Thank you. I love you.
Thank you. Titi, I beg, forgive me. Whatever thing that I have done against you, I am very sorry. Yet in there, don't worry. We will live in peace in this house.
Yes.
When Afam come, I will take Afam as my own son. There will be no more one in this house.
Yes. Ego Yibo. Hey, look at me. Husband of 2 wives. Only me. Hey, my titi. Papa. You see the way God has blessed me. God has blessed me. But titi, you know now, I mean I didn't. Oh, sorry.
Hello? Otito? It is a lie. You don't mean it. Hey! This is so unbelievable. Otito? Ha! This is why I told you to leave that prince and come to the city. You see? Eh? Ha! Now wow, wonders will never end. Okay, you're coming today? Oh, you're on your way already? There is no problem now. I'm at home. I'm waiting for you. Don't worry. Just keep becoming. I'm waiting for you. See what you do, just keep calling me so I can be directing you. I don't want you to get lost in this city. Yes, I'll wait for you at home. There is no problem. Nsogbu adiro, Ngwa, Johnny Mercy, oh? Abby, come, oh. Adama, What is it? Abby, what happened? Wonders will never end. Hey! You I just heard. I don't know, tell me. The prince of my village is not the true son of the king. Hey! You have come again, Adama. You have come again. What? Which one is that? Wait, again? How is it possible? Hey, how is that possible? It is very possible. It is very possible, oh. Ha! Anyway, that is not my business. That is not my problem at all. That village mugu I told you about. That your... He just called me now. He said he's on his way. Okay. So I told him I'm at home. I told him to be coming. I'm waiting for him. When is he coming? He is coming now. He is on his way already. That's nice. Wait though. That money that he promised to send you, he didn't send it to me. He didn't tell me about it again.
He did not send me that money, my sister. But he said he has physical cash. He's coming with cash. So we go chop this night, babe. Hey. I go cook soup. I go cook everything.
Yes, so that's my babe.
Now
I trust you. Yeah, I trust you. But wait. Let me tell you. This money that he's bringing, I hope he's going to bring plenty money. Right? Please let him come fast.
Now what for you?
My body needs money.
He's coming. Me, I need the money too now. He's coming with money.
That's nice.
Babe, let me call my sister Akachi. Okay. She will have the gist. Let me call her.
Wait.
I want to get to the bottom of this thing.
You want to call your sister to confirm. The person that is working with the prince directly, you are still doubting his own information.
My sister. She will have the real
Wait,
gist.
Adama, I want to ask you something. This your friend Otito is working directly with the prince, and he gave you gist, first-hand gist.
But he can be turning it. So let me hear from. My sister cannot lie to me now.
So let me call her. Since you have become doubting Thomas,
I believe that thing. Let me call my sister.
Okay, no wahala.
Hello, Akachi. Hello.
What? How could this be?
Your Highness, we don't do it voluntarily. He forces us, and when we refuse, he ends up beating us up.
Really?
That's the truth, my king. Please, my king, I don't want to suffer.
This is madness.
My king, he's not in his room.
What about my wife?
I think she's packing her things to leave the palace.
My God. What do I call this? Why will Afam do this to me? Gods of our land.
Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the wind blowing? Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the wind blowing? This ain't a song we'll try to do right in front of me.
So what are you trying to tell me now?
My prince, what I'm telling you is that I am no longer interested in staying in this village. I'm tired of stealing cow, fowl, and goat. I'm tired. You're no longer the prince. So if anything happens now, your poor father doesn't have money. Your real father, he has no money to save us from police. So can't you use your money on time?
So, it's actually your plan to abandon me, right?
I have to. If possible, abandon yourself too. Chow your way for life. Let me go to the city and look for my life. My life is missing. Yes, let me look for my life and become somebody. By the time I make money, I'll pick you. I will bring you to the city. But you promise me that if I bring you to the city, you will not be stealing. You will not be stealing no real drum man.
You are a muggle.
If you see all these small goats, look away. Look away, forget them. So you have to change your way. Stop dragging this throne with this girl. It is her throne, it's your palace. Go back to your father's house, your real father's house, your poor house, and become a poor person again. That is it.
So is it me you're talking to like that?
You are beating me again. Afamefuna, please. Please. Forget it. It's no longer the time of all this pack. If you beat me now, you now do on your chest. Let me go to the city and look for my life. My life is missing. So stop all this. Let me go to the city. Anyhow it is, I'll come and carry you. I'll manage. Go and remove this. There's no point. You're no longer a prince. Even get banaka, remove them so that you be like me.
I'll blow your eye. I promise you that.
Prince, Afamefuna. Don't stop walking like a prince. You are no longer a prince. Walk like a normal human being. You're not getting that.
Otito, I am so happy to have you here. You are welcome. You're welcome.
I'm so happy to be here. And you are doing well.
Thank
Look
you.
at where you are staying.
Thank you.
See, I honestly am so happy that I came to the city. Yes.
I'm happy to have you here. Anyway, this is my friend, Abby. We live together. Yes.
She's beautiful.
Thank you.
With the soft hand.
So handsome. Abby, stop touching my man. Stop it.
Amaka, it's not like that. I'm sorry. But he's handsome now. Can't you see?
Thank you.
Handsome guy. What happened now? You didn't bring anything for us from the village.
Forgive me, fine girl. See, I was rushing. I don't want to stay in the village again. So when I discovered that the prince I have been going around with is a fake prince, I said, let me do fast. Otito, leave the village. So I was packing my things. So I forgot to bring orange or mango and the so but in my bag, there's so much money. I told you I'm coming with cash. Yes. At least you go up to 200,000.
Ebi,
I said.
don't worry. We're going to sort you out. Very soon we'll sort you out. But meanwhile, Otito, just go inside, freshen up, have your bath, then come back and lie down. So I can massage you, I know the journey was very long. It was very long.
So you want me to go and bath?
Just, go in and have your bath.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me go and bath.
Yeah, hurry up, okay? Go and bathe.
Hey, you mean it?
I'm telling you. They have run away. Oh. Who wants to suffer? Kanukwa.
Yeah. So, even those stupid girls that worked in the palace, they also ran away.
If you were to be the person, will you stay and suffer? Will you stay at Ichadeka's house to suffer? If I'm in their shoes, I will run away. I will do the same thing. The only thing there is for them to abort the baby. They should do abortion. Remove the pregnancy and live their life. There's nothing there.
Ifuge. And the Igwe asked them to flog my own brother. Hey! You see, my brother was right. He said what he heard from Titi. Now, if I see any of them, I will laugh at them very well.
They deserve it. I will also do the same. I will laugh at them very well. Yeah? Do you know if Igwe has sent that useless prince away from the palace?
He has to. That boy is not good enough to spend any minute in that palace. In fact, if I were the Igwe, I'm not even allow him to spend a night in the palace again. Let him go back to his father's house. Let him go back. Hey! I even heard that Otito left him and ran back to the city. Otito is now in the city. Yes, nah.
No. He should come and stay and suffer now, since he doesn't have sense.
Don't mind him.
Stupid
that
man.
Foolish man. Hey! Prince. Just... I knew my brother was right. I know.
That serves him right.
Adama. Now this guy will come. The guy give me plenty money. He's a correct guy. Nothing happened. So, why are you calling him Mukuna? Wait. Now that I give you plenty money, what are we going to do? How are we going to do it now?
I don't understand. Which one is how are we going to do it? He's my come out your eye. Come out your eye from the guy. Now my man he be. Which one be how are we going to do it?
I'm not saying that my eye is there. But we're living in this house together now. There must be something to be done about that money. Or do you want to take the money alone?
Okay, it's true. What do you want?
The money now, part of the money. Because we're staying here.
My friend.
But now that we have talked about this money husband, what plan do you have for him? This guy, is he just going to come and stay like that in the city?
Hey.
What?
Babe.
What?
Babe.
You are bad.
Nah, that might be this.
You are bad.
Babe, see, I don't tire for this business. I don't tire to do this thing. Now that he has come, I will use him to get money from all these people.
Wait though, Tama. This guy, is he that strong to be servicing these people? Does he have power?
Babe, I don't know. I don't know. See, I'm going to test him this night. I will test him. At least before he meets every other woman, I will test him this night. So he will give us chance, make we do what we want to do.
I trust you now.
I mean now.
My friend. I trust you. But wait though. When you finish, yourself, I will test out you now.
That will not be a problem. See, if I finish with him today, maybe tomorrow, you can have him. There is this woman that has been calling me. She has been calling me. She wants this kind of business. Her husband does not give her attention. Does not have her time, you know. So he has come. I will use him to milk money from this kind of women.
And
babe, now for you. I did here a full grand.
Make person rest.
Papa, I beg. I say make I beg you. You see this my sisters. You know say me I know they carry them play. I know they play with them at all. Because I don't be princess. I don't enter palace. I won't make them come live with me, deal with me small. Make I dey close to them. I say make I beg you. Ejo to your long Baba I beg. May they just live with me. I beg.
Titilaya. You are my daughter. And you are a princess. That will not be a problem. They can stay with you for as long as they want. As long as it makes you happy. Honestly, you don't know how happy I am that you have come back to me.
Baba me. It's always better for you. Thank you. Thank you, Ines. Thank you, Ines.
Welcome.
Your Majesty.
Thank you for being a very good husband to me. I wish you all the best. Because you're a good person. Titi, my daughter, please take good care of your father.
Where you won't go? I beg, you no go anywhere. Baba me, I beg. Hey Joe, forgive her. I know say she don't wrong you. She don't do so many things where you go vex you say me she come out. But no be now why the enter as the princess. Now she go come out. I did beg you, forgive her.
Titilaya. See, I'm happy you are back to me and you don't know how glad and joyous I feel towards you and how difficult it is for me to say no to you. But this woman hurts me.
I know, Baba. I know wetin you dey talk. She even hurt me join. Forgive her, Baba me. Anyhow wey she don't offend you. I beg. Ejo to your own. I beg, forgive her. Let she just stay here with us, I beg. Na my mama too. Na my mama. I beg.
You are doing this because you know I love you so much and I feel very happy and I cannot say no to you. But for this one, I will think about it.
You go think. You go make she sit there with us here.
I have to think about it.
Some people are here to see you.
Oh, not now. Oh.
Igwe, since things are like this, what do we do? I came here because my daughter is pregnant. For our farm.
Igwe. And my daughter too. You can see her own is growing. What do we do about it? If I get mama again.
I've heard you people, but what do you want me to do about it? Look at Afam coming. He's here to answer for himself. Afam, come and answer for yourself.
Igwe, my sister came here to work, but now she is pregnant.
Afam, you cannot leave my daughter alone, though. You can't leave her in this condition.
Igwe, we are here too. We are pregnant for the prince.
I don't understand. What is happening?
It's exactly what you heard. They are pregnant for you, all of them.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
You people are pregnant too.
Be asking stupid questions there.
No, I want to know how many of you are pregnant here. Okay, these ones I got. I thought there are other people at the back. Even you, Rena. But you didn't allow me march down the throttle very well now. How can you be pregnant? Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. Since it's now the league of pregnant people. I'm not denying the fact though that everyone is pregnant. Even if we waste more time, more people might come. But there's no problem. I'm not denying. I will marry all of you, everybody. But the thing is, you better bear in mind that this pregnancy is not royalty. Even me, I'm no more royalty. You must have heard. As you see me now, I'm going back to my real father's house. You know Ichio Kaka now. He doesn't have any dime. He can't even feed himself. Talk more of. So if people are ready to enjoy yam and red oil, mama, get a kind of cause. It's okay. So let me go and pack my belongings. Go and pack your stuffs too. So you people should go. Pack your own belongings with your pregnancy self, so that we'll go and enjoy yam and oil. We should stay very well. Let's stay.
You are not going anywhere.
My daughter will not suffer. I will not allow her to be here and suffer. Oh yeah, let's go.
Papa,
oh yeah.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I will stay.
Ure.
Papa.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Papa, I'm not going anywhere. I'm not
Come on, let's go.
Igwe, are you saying he's not your son? Atakaye pelejere ta kwa nisi. Osaka.
Yeah, you heard him. You go to Okaka's house and wait for him. Well, congratulations, defender of the universe. You have seen it. Enjoy the fruits of the labor.
Nobody knows tomorrow.
Hey! I did not know you were like this.
In the village, I don't eat another food apart from that. So that, they go like this. Vroom, machine.
Hey!
Horse rider.
You were strong. You were sweet.
I told you now.
I did not expect this from you.
I told you. You underrate me because I'm in the village.
I need that apple.
I don't eat petty food. All this indomie, spaghetti. I don't eat it. Give me correct apple. You see me in action.
That means you fit the job I got for you. I'm telling you.
You got a job for me?
Yes, now.
Are you serious?
I got you a job.
You see why I said that you love me? You see why I said that I don't want that you love me so much? So you have gotten me a job already?
The salary is 200,000 naira.
Chineke?
Per session.
200,000?
I'm telling you.
You see why I told myself, Otitoli village, come to the city. 200,000. When am I starting?
As soon as you're ready. See, I've talked to the woman in charge. Okay? See, it's just that, in this city you came to, you have to shine your eyes. Because if you don't shine your eyes, people that are shining their eyes will collect opportunity from you.
Nobody will try me. You don't know me, Otito. Go and ask of me in the village. You know now. You know me that nobody can eat my own.
I'm telling you. If you don't open your eyes, guys that their eyes are open, you take your opportunity.
They will not try it. Just tell me the job, the situation of the job. Tell me when to start. I'm starting immediately. Yes. Hey, me job, 200,000.
Just that the woman in charge. This thing that we did just now,
The woman in charge?
Yes.
You know the woman?
I know her now.
Okay.
This thing that we did now, You have to do it to her too.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
This thing we did now, you have to give her too.
Eh? Ada?
Again.
Hey! And I did not explain this thing to me well now. My grandmother. Is it the business? Is it the job?
200,000. What are you saying? I thought you said you want to come to the city, make money and marry me.
Yes. But my grandmother, the business is somehow. Eh? Hey.
Just do it.
Do you mean that there's no other business? Eh? There's no other job you can get from me? What if it's Katki's job?
What are you saying? Do you know how I suffer to get you this job? Who will give you 200,000 in that village? Who? For one job. This is your strength. You need to use it. This is what people are looking for. Oh, you have a Igbo.
Is not somebody's wife.
Your own is natural. So
is she somebody's wife?
To leave that one first. Let me see. By the time you go and come back, 200,000. It was up 200,000. It just now going to be a J Adama. What is going on?
I was hearing some funny noise inside the house. What happened? What's going on?
It was us.
Mom, this guy is powerful. If you hear the noise, I couldn't hold myself. I just decided to come and join you guys.
Huh?
Yeah? Join us that what? I thought I told you if I do today, tomorrow you will do your own.
I cannot hold myself, Adama. The sound you were making was just shaking my body.
Both of you agree?
This guy is so on point.
You do your own tomorrow now.
Come on now, you're my friend now, Adama.
God save me.
Don't worry, you enjoy it.
Adama, is it because I'm strong? This is not good now.
He was sweet though. He was sweet though.
You know explain this to me well now.
You are too much.
Keep quiet. Can't you handle 2 women? With the power you have, you're supposed to be able to handle even 7 women at once.
Please, let me join you.
Enter, Joe.
Well, I called all of you here for this meeting to settle this issue once and for all. Okaka, Afam is now your son. Well, he's still my son too. However, I don't want him to feel like after what has happened that it is now the end of the world. I don't hate people. What I dislike is their bad behavior. When you have a bad behavior, I would not have anything to do with you. Afam, you have exhibited very terrible behavior in the past in the kingdom. And it did not augur well with me. My advice to you is that for you to move further and make this world a better place, you have to change. Change your behavior so that the world will speak well of you.
Thank you, Father. Sorry, thank you. But the truth is that I'm now a changed person. Please, do not forsake me.
Well, that is one thing I'm not going to do. I will not forsake you. That's why I asked your father, Okaka, to bring you along to this meeting. As long as you have agreed that you are going to change, then I will allow you to continue to live in this palace. I will allow you to drive the car you are driving now. Because my daughter, the princess, will always get another car. I will buy her a new car. I want you to feel free to come to the palace anytime you want to come to the palace. And to cap it all, I will settle you with a sum of 10 million naira.
10 million? Thank you, Father. Thank you, Igwe. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you.
What I want you to do with this money is to go to the city, hustle with it and make your life a better thing to behold. Anytime you hustle and you are a changed person like you have promised, you can always feel free to come back to the palace and live in the palace. Is that clear?
Very clear.
You're always welcome.
Thank you. The palace here. No leave, no transfer. Thank you.
Igwe, hey. You won't be able to appreciate the value of what you've done for us. Thank you, Igwe. 10 million.
It's okay. So, just make sure you remain changed and the whole world will be a better place for you. Okay?
Your Majesty, thank you very much. Thank you, Baba.
May the gods of our land go with you as you go to the city. So that is it.
So this is what people are doing. Oh my God. Otito, why didn't you knock at the door?
Are you okay? Otito, I asked you to come to the city and make money. That you should shine your eyes. And you decided to start with me. Eh? You're shining your eyes for me.
Calm down, please. Calm down. I don't understand why you're shouting. Calm down. Eh? We know these things now. Why are you shouting now? Calm down.
Ebere, I should calm down.
Please, calm down.
Ebere, I never collect your man before. What will be this one?
Forget this thing, my dear. This is our man. This is our man. Calm down.
What are you saying?
Calm down.
What? Stand up from there. Stand up now.
Why do you want it to go to? I've not finished what we're doing. Please, calm down.
Ebere,
why will you stand
keep
up?
quiet. I'm not talking to you.
Adama, please, I don't like what you're doing.
Otito, stand up from that bed.
Adama, he's not going anywhere. This is my house.
Ebere, this is my house too.
But he's not going anywhere.
Otito, stand up from that bed.
We are sharing him.
I brought you to this city. Yes. You will not insult me here. Eh? Did you hear me? Stand up from that bed. Ebere, Ebere.
He's not going anywhere.
Me and you never fight before.
Never.
Not try me.
Adama, please.
Babe, I be street.
See, you just obstructed me.
Babe, I be street. I dey craze so. I dey craze so.
No.
Not try
Not
me.
on this matter.
Otito, stand up from
He's
that
not
bed.
going anywhere.
Otito.
He's not.
Otito.
He's not going anywhere. He's not going anywhere. He's not going anywhere.
Otito. Ebere.
Yes.
Yes. Hey.
He's not going anywhere.
Never. Otito. Otito.
Don't answer now.
Otito. Otito, I brought you to this city. You are trying me, oh. I go gather boys for you to stay from that bed.
She cannot do anything.
Ebere.
I will deal with her.
Ebere. Ebere.
Adama, leave him alone. Otito, go outside. Yes.
Anamaju Onyemechi Kamnaju Anamaju Onyemechi Kamnaju Mama ye oyoyo Nobody knows tomorrow Mama ye oh yo yo. Nobody knows tomorrow. If any no budanyo, lenunu kamkoa. Ompudara no bibi banyo, lenunu kamkoa. If any no budanyo, lenunu kamkoa. Ompudara no bibi banyo, lenunu kamkoa. Life is deeper than we think we know. Different faces, different things to say. Life is deeper than the ocean. Whatever you sow, that is what you reap. Oh, Chimo, Bimo, Lily Eneme. Chima, Bimo, Lily Eneme. Onyemechi Kamnaju Anamaju Onyemechi Kamnaju Mama ye oyoyo flowing. Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the wind blowing? Listen also, you will try to do right in front of me. I could not explain, getting a fear.